So here's a great example. We determined at Fast Motion that if we followed up on a project that was sold 2 or 3 weeks after it was sold, it drastically reduced the potential for an expectation gap at the end of the project. A lot of what the services business is managing expectations. And it's possible you could kick off a project, 8, 9 weeks go by, everybody's just moving along. And then at the end, you're working with the team, but at the end you say, okay, we're wrapping up the project. And then someone says, well, hey, I haven't gotten this thing that I wanted. And then, the service provider saying, I had no idea you wanted that. And that's not something that we expected. So there's an expectation gap there. And so we identified, if we follow up 2 or 3 weeks in, the salesperson comes in and says, hey, are we matching your expectations? Are we doing everything that you want right now? How's the project going? That allowed us to discover issues earlier and allowed us to put measures in place to really squash those expectation gaps and drastically improve the success of the team.